Hi there, I'm Chris, Senior Product Manager at UpGuard. Today I want to talk to you about a feature that will make it easier than ever to compare vendors. Whether you're onboarding new vendors or renewing your existing ones, you want to compare them to similar vendors to see how they stack up. UpGuard's new vendor comparison feature gives you the power to compare the security posture of up to 4 vendors side by side, diving into the essential details that help you understand the relative levels of risk. The vendor comparison feature also gives you a great way to communicate the security posture of new vendors to stakeholders before onboarding a vendor. Comparing vendors gives you a high-level view of their security posture, including their overall security rating, average rating across their industry, as well as their rating across each risk category. You can observe any recent changes to their overall security rating and dive into a breakdown of any risks across their profile. Let me show you how it works. From the Vendors page, I'm going to click Compare Vendors, then add the vendors I want to compare. This will take me to the comparison page for the vendors I've selected, giving me an overview of each of their security postures with a breakdown of risk categories underneath. Scrolling down, I can track the overall security rating of each vendor over the last month, quarter, or year. Beneath this, I can see a summary of each vendor's risk profile and the number of risks sorted by severity. If I want to dive deeper into these risks, I can scroll down to see these broken down by category and the severity of the risks in each category. Scrolling down further, I can see a summary of the assets associated with each vendor in my UpGuard account. And the final section provides me with the industry, headquarters, employee count, geolocation, and any assigned labels for each vendor. I want to present this comparison to my stakeholders, so it's easy to just click Export, which generates a downloadable PDF report outlining everything shown on the page. The vendor comparison tool is a great way to communicate the security posture of new vendors to stakeholders who may not have security expertise. It can help you decide whether to onboard a new vendor or whether you need to switch to a potential alternative vendor that offers improved security. The vendor comparison feature is available to all UpGuard vendor risk customers. If you have any questions, please ask them in the Q&A or contact support@upguard.com. Now I'm going to hand you over to Harsh, who's going to talk you through our new vendor tiering feature.